Hey, what's up, everybody? I want to shoot this quick video, let y'all know. Remember, we talked yesterday about doing the prop firm challenge, right? We're going to be doing some prop firms, guys. We need at least 20 to 30 people registered. We got a few people signed up now, but Erik is going to do some live training sessions on passing these prop firms, right? So, I'm going to show you some of the results of his 100K right now, and then I'll show you results of my 20K one that I just started yesterday. I'm going to show you those, but guys, this is open for everybody. This is open for everybody in the Discord server. If we get 20 people registered, signed up, and they'll send me an email to support at an easier way to trade, then what we'll do is we'll schedule some trainings on how to manually pass the prop firm challenges, because we know the EA can pass, guys, whenever we want to do some manual trading too, right? Because that's also part of your package. So again, send an email to support at aneasierwaytotrade.com and let us know that you're interested, and we'll get those classes scheduled. Check out the results so far of Erik B's 100,000K live challenge, guys. He has to make a total of $8,000 right now. $8,000, guys. As you see there right there, where it says profit target, $8,000, and he has 35 days. If you look down at program rules, he has 35 days to do it. I think he's gonna make it, everyone. Hey guys, this is my manual 20K challenge on my Forex funds. Lost one trade last night, so I'm down 50 bucks. But as you can see, I'm getting it right back right now, coming down to my take profit right here. This trade should come down to my take profit right here. Give me, I think it's like $184 a trade times two, which would be what, about 360 something. I don't know why it's not popping up. You know, it always, there we go, 184 times two here, right, guys? Actually, let's just go ahead and take this down to about 20 pips. Yeah, about 20 pips. I want to get 20 pips out of it. So I'll drag this one down to, right? There we go. So that should give me, let's see what we're going to get on this one. If I can get it to pop on up here. About $200 on each. So about $400, guys. I should be about $400. So I'm what, I'm about $100 away from my TP. About $100 away from my TP. Give me $400. So I should be up around, 20,300, something like that. So I only need to pass this challenge. I need $1,600 profit, right? But I got, I have three days, so I got about 27 more days to go. Think I'll hit that, guys. I think I hit that because I'm going to up my lot size now. And so again, we need about 20 people, guys, registered. 25 people registered to, take advantage of Erik B doing some live training sessions on how to manually pass the FTMOs, the prop firm challenges, and because the EA, we already know the EA has what it takes to pass these challenges. Now we're going to do some manual trading, guys. We got the total package here at an easy way to trade with the real Forex. We got the total package.